How you going? I'm Stu. I'm a car enthusiast from South Australia. I love my older cars. What I've got behind me is a 1970 Volkswagen Notchback. I've had it now for probably a year and a half. Bought it off a dude in New South Wales actually. I've been slowly restoring this car over the last year, doing everything myself, ground up restoration, every nut and bolt off this machine. And she's pretty much in primer now. Just got one panel to go there. I wanted to do something different with this car, something that I used to love growing up, and that was airbrushing. It was a huge thing on cars in my era, so in the 80s and in the 90s. Growing up, you see all these panel vans and cars with airbrushing on it. So you don't really see that at all anymore. I happened to find this dude on Facebook, amazing young artist. He's an airbrusher. His name is Brent Williams and he's from Golden Grove. I was absolutely astounded by his amazing airbrushing. You know, he was just doing it on skateboards and things like that. And I contacted him and said, mate, I've got a design and I want it basically put onto the panel of a car. Can you do it? He said, yeah, absolutely, for sure. Love to be able to do it. We struck up a deal. I want to now show you the finished product of this incredible design that is painted on the front panel of my car. All I did was literally scour the internet for a design that I wanted, gave it to him, and he just took the panel and did the rest. The design's got a bit of a theme. It's a Viking theme. The Vikings back in the day used to hunt with wolves and ferrets. I found this incredible design online, gave it to Brent, and you wait until you see what Brent has done to this panel. I mean, you don't even have to be a fan of airbrushing. Not everyone likes airbrushing on a car. You don't have to be a fan of it at all, but the guy has nailed this. It is incredible. So we'll go over and have a look at just what he's done to this front panel. Have a look at that. Absolutely unbelievable. So you got the wolf and the ferret hunting. This is the most incredibly perfect depiction of what I gave Brent in the first place to paint on the front of this car, and he's absolutely nailed it. Phenomenal detail in this. It is literally incredible. I don't know how long it took him, but he had it back to me within a couple of weeks and did an absolutely incredible job. Even down to this little dude down here, this little skeleton dude. Incredible work, Brent. Absolutely love it, mate. You are a master. Now, if you want to get in touch with Brent and get something like this done for your car, I highly recommend him, man. He is unbelievable. Really friendly guy. He's a family man. Does everything from home. I mean, you just don't get talent like this very often. And you know, he's a young bloke, got a young family. And if you're into this type of thing or want to get something different done for your car, get in touch with Brent, support a local bloke, making a bit of a name for himself, doing something which is old school, which you know, a lot of us growing up absolutely loved. You can find him on Facebook at BSW Airbrush Art. I'll post the links in the comments below. The body's about 90% finished now, so it'll just be attacking the interior after this. If you're interested in having a look at this build thread, you'll be able to find it on my YouTube channel, which is Iceberg Stew. And thanks very much for watching.